Hi guys, welcome to Electronic Curiosities. Today I am going to show you a simple motion detector circuit using PIR sensor. So this circuit will be without Arduino or any other microcontroller. This will be a very simple circuit which I am going to show you using this PIR sensor, some electronic component. This sensor will alert you from any motion in the range of the sensor. So let's start with our circuit. We have three batteries of 1.5 which gives us 4.5 volt. So basically this sensor work in the range of 4.5 volt to 12 volt. So typically it's working on a 5 volt. So I'm going to provide a 5 volt 4.5 volt with these batteries. And here I have a two register which is of 470 ohms and one is of 220 ohms and one LED which be glowing when this sensor detect the motion and and a buzzer with a positive and a negative leg which going to be buzzed when there is a motion in this in the range of this sensor. And there is a NPN transistor which I'm going to use uh, to this circuit, which is an NPN transistor having a emitter, collector, base and emitter. So let's start with the circuit. So you can see this PIR sensor has a ground, power signal and the signal pin. So total three pins. So let's start with grounding this to the battery, then power to 4.5 volt. Let me change the color of this to red. Okay, and this okay. Then this signal pins goes to the this register which is of 220 ohms. So let me change the color of this to black. And this second terminal of the 220 ohms goes to the base of the transistor. So this is an NPN transistor, and the part emitter goes to ground. So let me connect it to here only. Then collector goes to here. So here one more 5 volt to this 470 ohms register. Let me change the color to red. And this is a LED which we going to connect. The cathode is negative and the anode is positive. So positive of this will go to the positive of battery anode. Me red, and positive of this also be going to the this positive. So let me connect the positive this terminal. So and this cathode part goes to the collector of transistor, and this also goes to mm, collector. So this is a simple circuit. So whenever the circuit works, whenever there is a motion in the this sensor. So whenever there is motion in this sensor, the sensor will send a signal to this register and to the base of the transistor. So whenever there is signal to the base of the transistor, this collector will be shorted to emitter and it will be grounded. So the signal will be grounded and these LEDs and the buzzer will start glowing, or the signal will be given to this buzzer when the base signal is given to transistor. So let's see how it works. So the circuit is completed. You can see full circuit is completed, and let me check now in the simulating mode. So whenever there is, can you see? So make this smaller. Can you see this the LED and this buzzer buzz when there is motion in near this sensor. So you can see the LED is going and the buzzer also goes. So if I am the outside this sensor, it will not glow. See, if I'm moving outside, then it is not glowing anything, or buzzer is also not working. When the motion comes in the sense inside the sensor range, then the buzzer and LED close. So you can see if there is motion in this in the range of the sensor, and the LED and the buzzer is glowing. So this will activate you or give a alert to you when there is motion near you or near your room or anywhere. So this you can make a simple circuit out of it, and you can see that this is very simple circuit. Uh, you can make at home and make your room very safe from intruder, anyone who are going to enter in your room. So this is how the circuit is made, guys. You can try this circuit. I'm going to make this circuit practically, going to show you in my next video. So be tuned, and if you like, you can subscribe to channel and share this video. So guys, if you like, comment below, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you, guys.